Hey guys, it's Adrienne, and today I'm going to talk about how you can make money every time other people spend it. So let's get into it. Now, recently I stumbled across a way to put money in my pocket every time somebody pull out some cash or swipe their credit card to make a purchase. So when parents buy clothes and toys for their kids at places like Walmart, Target, or even Amazon, I make money. And when people buy groceries or eat out at restaurants, I also make money. And when people put gas in their car or buy prescription medications, again, I make money. Now, all of this is possible through a program called NexusRewards. They have bundled together 4 simple programs that will give you the highest return on the money that you're already spending and also on the money that other people spend. And by the way, there are only 2 memberships available. You can join as a free member and enjoy getting some of the money back that you're going to spend anyway today. Or you can join as a premium member for only $21.95 a month and build a second income from home instead of trying to go out and find a part-time job. Now, as a premium member, you're going to earn $10 a month on all premium memberships that you refer. After you've referred your 3rd premium member, you'll no longer be charged because at this point, your membership will be completely free. You'll also receive additional bonus money, like $30 for each person you refer to one of the programs inside NexusRewards. So that means you can refer just one person a month, and then once they become an active member by using the program, then your membership fee will be covered because when they get $30, you also get $30. And that's on top of the $10 a month that you're already getting for your premium members. Now, this is the only opportunity that I've seen where I've been able to earn money the very same day that I joined. When people actually use all 4 programs that are bundled together inside NexusRewards, they don't quit. Instead, they go out and tell other people about it without even being asked to do so. So just don't take my word for it. Click the link in the description or click the button below to get started today and see for yourself how much money you can either put back into your pocket or add to your bank account. You'll be amazed at how quickly it all adds up. I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.